Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations.
Get ready to elevate your sanding game with the DEWALT DWE6423-QS 5-inch random orbit sander. This powerhouse features a 3-amp motor that spins the pad at an impressive 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute. Say goodbye to vibrations. Thanks to the separate counterweight design, you can enjoy improved comfort while you work. The improved dust-sealed switch ensures longevity and protection against dust ingestion. With a shorter height, you can get closer to your workpiece, and the rubber overmold gives you a solid grip in all the critical areas. Experience superior dust collection with the one-handed locking dust bag. And if you need to connect to other vacuum systems, the DWV9000 Universal Quick Connector has you covered. The DEWALT WE6423-QS 5-inch Random Orbit Sander, where precision meets power. Get yours today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.